to the next video. In today's video I will show you how to solve memory issues in Node.js while using the ExcelJS library. So I was trying to insert large amount of JSON data inside my Excel file, but I was facing memory issues constantly. Even after increasing my memory size, I was still facing memory issues. Later on I find a better package which would help us to resolve this memory issue. I know there is something called stream in ExcelJS as well, but that feels more or less like a fake stream. It doesn't really handle memory issues very well. So what I did was, here I will explain you a simple example. Like my JSON array is very simple, but even if you take a large amount of data, this will work. Go to package.json, and instead of ExcelJS you can use this library. Like this guy has also made a pull request on ExcelJS, so it could very well happen by the time you watch this video this issue might get resolved. The ExcelJS people were not, I'm not sure if they have accepted his PR or not, but at the time of this recording they haven't, but maybe in future they might. So that's why instead of ExcelJS I had to use this library, and I'll show you how to use it. So here I have imported stream from this zlone ExcelJS, and here I have included fs, and here I have created a JSON array, this just a sample array, and here you can give your Excel file name, and the flags is right, and here you will have to create a workbox from the stream. So from that stream I am creating a workbox and passing our Excel write stream, and here you can name the sheet. If you want multiple sheet you can do that as well, but I have just created one sheet inside my Excel file and named it as test. And here all I have to do is that so now it depends on how you want to map your JSON data or some other data to Excel, but what I was doing is that I want this name to be common and the values to be ABCDEFG, something like that. So that's why I'm using this set. And once you add a particular row you will have to add this commit thing, and you have to use async await as well. So I'm using that. So once I add this row I'm using that, and similarly for here as well, data.forEach. Once all this ABCDEFG values are added I'm again doing commit, and once everything is done you will have to do await workbook.commit as well. If you want to know more you can follow the documentation on this URL, and here I am just calling this method at the end, like convert JSON to Excel. And here you can see there is no Excel file yet, but if I try to run my application, so here you can see the Excel file was generated. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.